Let us watch how metal chains are produced inside the metal chain making factory. High-quality metal coils, depending on the application, are loaded in the factory. Metals are then drawn into wires to achieve specific diameters. This metal wire is further drawn to the desired diameter using a wire drawing machine, ensuring uniform thickness. Later, a bending machine shapes the wire into oval link designs, depending on the chain type. Each oval is locked into an intersection with the next oval, creating a long metal chain by an automated machine. The chain is then cleaned and cooled down while dipped in water. To enhance durability, the chain undergoes a heat treatment. The chains are then cut into desired lengths, and holding rings are attached to the ends of the chain. Later, a holding hook is fixed on these rings, manually. More hook holders are shaped with metal pieces, based on the requirements, and then attached to the chain. Thereafter, these bonds are further strengthened by welding the joints. Chains then undergo surface treatment to remove rough edges and enhance appearance. Finally, the chains are packed and sealed precisely for the shipment.